Hey everyone, welcome back to Najib Digital. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting, versatile, and powerful programming languages out there. JavaScript. Whether you're a complete beginner or just curious about how it works, you're in the right place. So grab a coffee and let's get into it. Well, JavaScript is a programming language that was initially created to make web pages interactive. You know those cool effects on websites, like animations, dynamic content, or buttons reacting when you click them. That's JavaScript in action. But it doesn't stop there. JavaScript has grown far beyond that. Now it's used for front-end, back-end, mobile apps, games, you name it. Now let's talk about how we can actually use JavaScript. Imagine you want to write something directly to your browser's console. You can do this easily with JavaScript by using the console.log function. Here's a simple example. Now, let me show you another quick example. Suppose you want to interact with elements on a web page. With JavaScript, you can change the content of HTML elements on the fly. Let's change the text of a paragraph using JavaScript. With just a few lines of code, the text on the page instantly changes. Pretty cool, right? And this is just scratching the surface of what JavaScript can do. But here's the big deal about JavaScript. It's not just about these small, fun things. JavaScript is everywhere. Now, you can build entire applications from the front end, what users see and interact with, to the back end, the part that handles data, logic, and server communication. Imagine this. You can use JavaScript for building interactive websites, creating mobile apps with frameworks like React Native, or even coding video games. Plus, JavaScript runs on the server too, thanks to Node.js. That means with JavaScript, you have the power to build full-stack applications, handling both the front end and back end with a single language. How cool is that? So why is JavaScript so powerful? Well, first, it's incredibly versatile. It's one of the few languages that works everywhere. Second, it has a massive community behind it, which means there are tons of resources, libraries, and frameworks that make development easier and faster. Finally, JavaScript is constantly evolving, with new features and improvements coming all the time. To recap, JavaScript is a powerful versatile language that started with the web and has now expanded far beyond it. We've seen two simple examples: console.log for outputting to the console and modifying HTML content directly. And it's not just about websites anymore. You can build everything from apps to games using JavaScript. Thanks for sticking around. If you're excited to learn more about JavaScript or want to dive deeper into the world of web development, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. JavaScript is constantly growing, and trust me, you don't want to miss out on what's next.